I'm Alia Martin. I'm from Yale University, and this is Kelcey Wilson, who's presenting this poster with me. We are presenting at the APS 23rd Annual Convention in Washington, D.C., and our poster is about paternalistic helping in 3-year-old children. So what we did in our study is there's a lot of literature showing that kids are very helpful from a really young age, so we wanted to kind of look a little closer at what their underlying motivations might be to help and how they would help people in different situations. So we specifically looked at a situation where children could not help someone by giving them what they asked for because the object that the person requested was not the most useful thing to achieve their goal. So what we did to go about asking this question was to have kids see some different objects in a room with one experimenter. So they saw some objects such as a cup which were functional and other ones like a broken cup that were dysfunctional. And then in the second phase of the study, another experimenter in the room with the child asked for help with different tasks such as pouring a cup of water. And at this point, the experimenter sometimes requested a functional object, like the regular cup, to achieve her goal, and sometimes requested a dysfunctional object, such as the broken cup, to achieve her goal. So kids now had two options. They could either help by giving her what she was asking for and clearly indicating by both pointing and explicitly requesting it, or they could give her the better object to achieve her goal. And what we found is that in this situation, kids were actually going with a more complex way of helping. Rather than just responding to what the experimenter said, they actually thought about what would best help her with her ultimate goal, and usually went and got her the functional object instead. So in our second study, we just wanted to see whether this was because children just preferred handing over the functional object. So in this study, we had the same setup, except the second experimenter asked for objects to throw in the trash. And in this case, kids no longer handed over the functional object, showing that they don't just prefer to touch or offer these objects to the experimenter, but they actually handed over whatever the experimenter asked for to throw in the trash. So taken together, our studies kind of show that children's helping is more complex than previously thought, at least by age 3, and that they prioritize ultimate goals rather than immediate requests when trying to help somebody else.